Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax in Dallas, and we're going to take a look at a Premier 230 Sunsation angler. So the angler has the fishing setup in the back, but your standard cruise setup up front. So full wraparound seating, which is really, really nice. Extra bolstered seats. It's just a comfortable boat to be in. Extra large ski locker down inside the floor. 2 separate places for table. You can put it to front or you can put it in the back. As with all the other Premiers, the elevated helm is actually standard, which is really nice. Clarion stereo. This one does have a 150 horsepower motor on the back and also a Simrad fish finder in the dash. Because the center log is so big on these boats, it's a 23-foot boat. It's rated for 15 people or a little over 2,100 pounds. So lots of capacity for bodies on board. But what really makes this one nice is your pedestal in the back for fishing. So extra large live well. There is a bait bucket they'll slide out at, but this is all one big live well, which is done really well. Big lighted ski tow bar, and what's really cool, you can't see it from here, but these side panels flip open to the front, making this whole back here wide open for fishing. So really, really cool layout. But if you have any questions on this or any of the other Premiers you see online, by all means, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.